A blessed morning, Ma'am and Sir. I am Nel Marie Tamang Binarao, for 31 years of age, a resident of Purok 3, Barangay San Mateo, Tumawini, Isabela. I am 45 kilograms in weight, and my height is 148 centimeters. I graduated at the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. During my college years, I also became a helper. I took care of a 6-month-old baby and doing other household activities to subsidize my financial needs during my college years. Since I am a single mom, I have a 7-year-old son. I also love doing household activities and teaching students and kids. After graduation, I teach for a private school in the year 2014 to 2015. And after that, I am connected to the Department of Education, a public school here in the Philippines, wherein I teach for almost 6 years from the year 2015 to 2021. I am an English teacher. I teach grade 7 and grade 9 students before. During my years, I also engage in journalism, writing skills, and reading skills of the students. Then after that, due to pandemic, I decided to transfer to Bureau of Fire Protection, and now I am a firefighter for almost 3 years. During my years as a firefighter, I also educate other people on the tips on how to a fire inside the school or inside the house. I also love teaching kids, letting them how to read, letting them how to write. I usually teach my students with worship songs like this. Who gives the faith for the faith? Who gives the love for the love? Who is that man? I want to shake his hands, 'cause he lives in me, and he dies for you and me. Ooh. And I also love teaching nursery songs from the kids, like the basic ones. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, For my future employers, Ma'am and Sir, give me the chance and the opportunity to give you the best service I have. Don't you worry, I am responsible of doing any activities, and I'm fully decided to work in Hong Kong to give the best for my son. Thank you and God bless.